Let's face it, passwords suck. Wouldn't it be great if there was a way to keep all your accounts secure and not have to remember all sorts of nonsense and gibberish? Say hello to Passkeys. Passkeys are a new kind of login that allow you to log into sites and services without having to enter a password. How can this possibly be secure, you ask? Because Passkeys use something called web authentication or WebAuth, which uses public-private key cryptography to keep your accounts secure. In order to use a passkey, you'll need some sort of authenticator or application on your smartphone or computer. When you log into a site that supports it, that site will send an encrypted challenge to your authenticator, which you'll be able to confirm or verify. Then the authenticator will send an encrypted response back confirming that it is actually you. Since all this happens using a public-private key pair and not simple passwords, it's much more secure as the pair is generated every time you attempt to log in. It's secure because there's no password to hack, no secrets kept on a company computer to get compromised. Start using Passkeys today to enhance the safety and security of your digital world.